This is Old Man PHP. I create PHP video tutorials for the old guys who want to learn a new skill and compete with the young crowd. Now, I decided to create these things because I was doing videos for myself basically, just so I can have it, so I can listen to myself, you know, different things. But when I was having that conversation with one of my buddies who retired and wanted to do programming, that kind of light bulb turned on. So, man, you know, I could do videos. So that's why I'm doing them. I know I'm older. I've been at it for what, 30 years. My voice sucks. Don't get me wrong. I love doing what I'm doing. And I'm trying to explain to people, you know, how I do things and so they can learn. And they have learned. It's just that, I don't know, as you get older, your voice kind of breaks down, you know. But let's continue. I created this. I just wanted to. We're talking about the dollar server, which is happens to be this right here. See this? The dollar server. That one right there. And what that does is it's a super global variable, right? And it's a built-in variable. Remember what I told you, that it's available in all scopes. I mean, it could be available within a function within a function, or different pages. That information, it's available. Okay, so the dollar server is again, PHP super global, right? Holds information about your header, your path, and the script location of your stuff. In this particular case right here, I got first name. And right here, I'm saying PHP self. What happens is, in this situation, you're going to get the name of this actual file, which let's see right here. Let's see. Let's bring this down a bit. See the name of the actual file. That's what you're going to get. And as you can see, I already ran it, right? Let's see. Yeah, I ran it. There it goes. File name, file name. And this part right here is the name of the server. It's www.convert to WordPress. It's a website that I created a long time ago. Okay. And, you know, this is just so you can learn some stuff, and which happens to be this one right here. See? Just visited one so you can see what I am about, and you know, what's my mission and how I explain. There's a lot of good information. In case you want to learn more, you know, like the development of PHP tutorials. I got email marketing, content marketing, you know, just all these things. Plus I got all my designs here, all these designs. Okay, so, you know, basically that's it. So anyway, in this particular case, I'm echoing the first name, the file name, the name of the server, and the host, which also happens to be the same thing. See, it's written down like this: HTTP host, server name. There's a lot of things you can do. You can also do like, you know, this returns a complete URL, really, if you put it all together. But look, you got something. I also showed you that if you say what's the current URL, I'm going to copy this stuff here, okay? You know, that's one thing about programmers. When we write things, right, we don't like to repeat ourselves. So we'll cut and paste. As long as it's you create, you can even cut and paste other people's work, but fix it up and make it work for you. Okay? In this situation, I want to say HTTP referral. And I showed you this in details in the past. Let's see, did I spell that right? Oh boy, referral. Did I see R-E-F-E-R-E-R? Okay, yeah, I guess that's it. I'll have to look this up. Okay, so we got that. Let's do another one. Let's copy this stuff. Let's do two more things that I remember. In this particular case, we'll say the name of the browser, right? Because you will probably want to do something. Even though in the CSS you could do media types if it's like smaller, this and that, but this information is helpful because some things might not work on one browser and you will have to kind of adjust your programming, your scripts. Alright, let's see what we got here. So the name of the browser, that will be HTML, HTTP user agent. User agent. Yeah, and if you want to say the file name again, that's just another way of showing you, instead of using self, you could say file. What can I say? Another way. Then you say file name. How about that? Another way, file name. And this would become script underscore name. Did I spell that right? Let's save it. Let's run it. Boom, there you go. See? Remember this part? This we did that. Now the HTML referral, that would be, again, right here, see? No. The HTML referral does not show, see? Because I'm using a different browser, I won't do it. That's the one thing wrong. That's why I always like to wait a minute. Now, hold on one second. Yeah, that's it, the referral right here. And you're supposed to get this information, but you don't get it in one browser. That's why you won't get anything. I think I showed you guys that before. Depends on the version and depends on the browser. But the HTML user agent is the actual browser. The name of the browser. Right now I'm using Mozilla 5 with some Macintosh, right? Intel, Mac OS. I'm using 1010. Oh man, this is old. This is old, man. The one that can do a lot of things because it keeps giving me these messages. Like, it's an old machine, what can I tell you? But it still works. You just have to adjust different things to make it work. And plus, a lot of my PHP stuff will work anyway. I don't use this much anyway. And here's the other way. Script name. It's just another way of calling the file name right here. Well guys, we reached the end. If you enjoyed this video and you learned about the advanced PHP global variable $_server, please give me the like, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. This will help grow my channel and we'll get better. Guarantee you I will get better. But on the next video I will talk more about the advanced, more advanced PHP. We'll probably take another look of the file upload because people keep asking me that same thing. I'm going to show them in one video, but I'm going to show you I don't mind. And maybe I'll do it a little different, more slower. I'll do it slower so that way you can understand. That will be video 57. Well, until next time, a good night.